Welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to do a bake with me as requested. So I'm actually going to make it's like my mom's recipe, deep dish brownies. I am going to cut it in half though, but I'll link, but type the recipe up in the description box for you. It's my mom's recipe. So it is from scratch. The only substitution I'm going to have to make is butter for margarine. For whatever reason, I don't know if Target's no longer going to sell regular margarine, so I'm going to have to use butter, which my mom said will just make it more fudgy, or you could just add a little extra flour to kind of balance out the butter versus margarine. So again, I'm going to cut this in half, but I'll show you as I go and the final product. And perfect timing because I do a Bible study on Sunday and I'm hosting, so I'll have a dessert to serve, and of course it's Super Bowl Sunday this Sunday, so I'll have a dessert for myself to eat. But let's get started, and again, I'll put the recipe down below. I'm gonna do it, I'll type it up the way I would make it, except for the butter margarine situation, but let's get started. Okay, so for this, I'm actually gonna do it a little out of what would be a normal order, simply because I'm trying to use as little dishes as possible. And I've also already preheated the oven to 350, and I've greased my 9x9 pan, so that's ready to go.
Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you, and waking up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling. Just even know my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even if the day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. Time is just a number, but number one is you. And even when we're older, yeah, to me we're still brand new. Yeah, all the other guys got girls for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. Pick it down for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you.
Okay, now you're gonna bake them in the oven at 350. Because I cut it in half, I'm gonna do about 30 minutes and then check it. But normally it would be about 40 to 45. If you were doing the double recipe like my mom normally made. But I'll show you when they come out.
Just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even if the day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. Big it dad for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it.
Now, the easiest way to kind of check brownies, cakes, anything is to use a toothpick and see how clean it comes out. That came out really clean. So I would say it's done. I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes, and then I'll show you the trick that makes them really good once I'm all done. All right, so to finish off these brownies, the special part is powdered sugar. You just sprinkle a little bit on top, cut them up, and then you can serve them. I'm not gonna cut them up because again, these are for this weekend, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the powdered sugar. I think we're cool enough. Yeah. And you definitely wanna make sure it's cooled down a good amount, because if you try to do it when it's still warm, they're gonna, it'll turn into like icing consistency on top.
I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love.
So there you have it, deep dish brownies. So these actually smell really good and I'm excited to eat them later. But I hope you enjoyed getting to bake from scratch with me today and make my mom's deep dish brownies. Again, I'll put the recipe in the description box, but I hope everybody has a blessed day.
I just wanna love